Baby New Year's Midnight Race, a time-telling adventure. Welcome to the magical world of Baby New Year, the guardian of time and New Year's celebrations.
Oh dear, I must find the right clock that shows midnight to start the new year, but I'm not sure how to tell time.
Let's help Baby New Year learn to tell time before midnight strikes. Baby New Year, do you know why midnight is so important?
Yes, it's when the old year ends and the new one begins. But how do I know when it's midnight?
Let's start by understanding the clock. It has numbers from 1 to 12, a little hand for hours, and a big hand for minutes.
The little hand shows the hour and the big hand shows the minutes.
Right, and see these small marks between the numbers? Each one represents 1 minute. 5 of these small marks together mean 5 minutes have passed.
So between each number, there are 5 minutes. I need to remember this to find midnight.
Exactly. Now, let's figure out where the hands should be at midnight. At midnight, both the hour hand and the minute hand should point at 12.
That means the hour is 12 and the minutes are 0. I got it.
We're running out of time. Let's find the correct clock quickly.
This isn't right, nor this one. Here. Both hands are at 12.
Just in time. The new year is ready to begin. Congratulations, Baby New Year. You've learned to tell time and save the new year.
Let's count down together.
10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Thanks to Baby New Year, we learned about clocks and midnight. Thank you for your help.
Thank you, friends. I can't wait for our next adventure in time.
Happy New Year!